Email marketing is a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their audience, promote products or services, and drive sales. If you're new to email marketing, here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Define your email marketing goals. Before you start building your email list and creating campaigns, it's essential to define your email marketing goals. Do you want to generate leads, promote products, build relationships with your subscribers, or all of the above? Choose an email marketing platform. There are many email marketing platforms available, such as MailChimp, ConvertKit, and Constant Contact. Choose a platform that fits your needs and budget. Build your email list. You can build your email list by offering lead magnets, such as ebooks or webinars, in exchange for email addresses. You can also use opt-in forms on your website or social media pages. Segment your email list. Segmenting your email list allows you to send targeted messages to specific groups of subscribers based on their interests, behavior, or demographics. This can improve the effectiveness of your campaigns and increase engagement and conversions. Create engaging content. Your emails should be engaging, informative, and visually appealing. Use a clear and concise writing style, include images and videos, and use a call to action (CTA) to encourage subscribers to take action. Optimize your emails for mobile devices. More than half of all emails are opened on mobile devices, so it's essential to optimize your emails for mobile viewing. Use a responsive design that adjusts to different screen sizes and test your emails on different devices. Test and analyze your campaigns. Use A/B testing to test different elements of your campaigns, such as subject lines, CTAs, and images. Analyze the results of your tests to identify what works best for your audience and improve future campaigns. Stay compliant with email marketing laws. Make sure you're following email marketing laws in your country or region, such as obtaining consent from subscribers and providing an easy way to unsubscribe from your emails. This will help you avoid spam complaints and penalties from authorities like FTC in the US or CMA in the UK. Email marketing has become a popular and effective way for businesses to reach their target audience and generate sales. If you're new to email marketing and looking to earn $500 per day, here's a step-by-step guide on how to copy-paste emails and make money. Find a profitable niche. The first step is to find a niche that has high demand and low competition. You can use tools like Google Trends, Amazon Bestsellers, and eBay Trending to identify profitable niches. Build an email list. You need a list of email addresses to send your promotional emails to. You can use lead magnets, opt-in forms, and social media to build your email list. Find products to promote. Look for products related to your niche that have high commissions and good conversion rates. You can find these products on affiliate networks like ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus. Create promotional emails. Copy-paste promotional emails from the product creators or affiliates who have already achieved success in promoting the product. Make sure to customize the emails with your own affiliate link and branding. Send emails consistently. Send promotional emails to your email list consistently, at least once a day. This will help you build trust with your subscribers and increase your chances of making sales. Track your results. Use tracking links and analytics tools to monitor your email campaign's performance. This will help you identify which products are performing well and which ones need improvement. Scale up. Once you've found profitable products and email campaigns, scale up by investing in paid advertising, such as Facebook ads or solo ads, to reach a larger audience. Remember, earning $500 per day through email marketing requires consistent effort, patience, and persistence. Keep learning and improving your skills, and don't give up even if you face setbacks along the way.